Hello everyone, so today we're gonna check this model from XO, the Subaru Impreza STI at the 1/18 scale. The model is in this iconic blue metallic with gold rims. It's made of metal, but sadly, as I said earlier, it's sealed. It got some good details in the front. I like this STI badges, also the Subaru logo. It's quite nice made. Sadly, the grills are not perforated as I would like. The wheels are quite okay. As you can see, there's a gap between the rim and the rubber. Also in the back, you can see it's got some details. Got a small issue here with the STI badge. But besides that, it's a good looking model. Nothing to see underneath. Also, no steering, no suspension for this model. Let's check out the interior. It has a few details in the interior, but sadly you cannot open the door. That's first day. It has a few details in the interior. I like the blue seats. Would I pay 50-60 euros for this model? Probably not. I'm not a big fan of sealed models, but if you are a rally enthusiast, it's an okay model to have in your collection, especially if you display it. Hope you like this unboxing. Please like this video and subscribe.